Sinyoung 5 TPH line in Africa shatters production record again. The 5-ton/hour processing line supplied by Sinyoung to Mainland Group's fourth plant in Africa has once again reset industry benchmarks, delivering an actual output of nearly 6 tons per hour. This milestone was achieved through seamless collaboration between the Sinyoung technical team and the Mainland Group production management team. By optimizing the low-temperature drying process, the line successfully ramped up capacity while driving down costs and boosting overall efficiency. Continuous feeding. Continuous creping. One trolley discharged every 5 minutes under low-temp drying. Average bale weight is 17 kilograms. Zero white spots, ensuring premium-grade rubber. Sinyoung's high-performance rubber processing equipment is purpose-built to maximize plant profitability. Hainan Sinyoung always strives for excellence.